Hello everyone. In this clip, I will guide how to do a crossover with one crossing point and obtain one offspring. As well, we look at the picture about the crossover that Ajahn post on Facebook groups. The picture has four lists of boxes, one line of box that represents the chromosome of one robot. One chromosome contain contain 10 rules for start from rule number 0 to rule number 9, and each rule had event parameters is called from 0 to 10. 0 is like it: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next is crossing point. It is a point that divides chromosome into two parts. Okay, in this picture, the crossing point is cut on rule number 1, and between parameter 9 and 10. And the next is the result of both offspring is at the bottom here. We look at the first child. The chromosome before the crossing point is obtained from robot 1. You can see by the brown and light green color here. And the last part is obtained from robot 2. In the opposite, the second child has obtained chromosome from robot 2 before the crossing point, and the last part after the crossing point is obtained from robot 1. Okay, this is the step how to do the crossover, and the next is I will show is the actual information inside of the SimBot. Okay, the robot data look like this. We can find in the assignment document, or you can use spin function to display it inside the SimBot. At the first part, the right green part, like yellow part, is a data of robot 1 that I use random from it. By in the program we will use like a selection 1, and the second part, light green part, is a robot 2. And in this, I will use the crossing point at the previous one. It's a rule number 1, and the parameter is between 9 and 10. Okay, the crossing point is on 10. In this example, parameter in this is you like about this, like a sensor and the output, and the parameter 9 and 10 is turn and move. Okay, when we do the crossing over, what will the child data be like? Okay, I will show it here. Okay, we know the crossing point like this. Okay, I already mark it in the tick border here. Okay, the first part obtained the offspring And the first part we obtain from the robot one. Okay, I copy from this with only value not okay, and here until the crossing point. Okay, and the path that after the crossing point, I will copy from robot 2 like this. I copy the big factor. Okay, and the final. Okay, the data of offspring will be like this. Is okay. This offspring will be adding into the next generation. Go. Okay. This is the step how to do the crossover, and the next I will explain about how to implement, but I already implement it. I will explain the code. Okay. 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 Let's see the line number 251. Okay. Okay, in this step, I like this part after the selection. Inside the after simulation function. Yeah. Okay, as the first line is I create a dummy robot for representing the offspring robot by calling stupid robot class. And the next is I create a crossing point by using two variables. First variable is for the point of cut loop, and the second is the point of cut loop length. And I already assign the value same as the in the example that I show about here. Okay, and the next is crossover step. At first, I display rules of robot 1 and 2 for checking the crossover is correct. I will remove it later because when we run the program with 100 robots, that means it do crossover number of robots minus 1 times. It will use heavy resource. Okay, we can reduce it by comment or remove it. Okay, and the whole line here is this there are a crossover path using slide list technique that you can use in Python only. It is not necessary to use this technique. You can use the basic programming technique like netted loop for do it. Okay, in the first I already commented it. This part is about copy rule before the crossing point from robot 1, and this part is copy rule from after the crossing point from robot 2. Okay, and this is the part that copy from robot 1 and robot 2, but this is the copy part between loop lengths. Okay, and this part is the print the new gen robot loop for checking the crossover step is correct. Okay, let's see the result of crossover. I already setting like this, and number of robot is 10, and I think it change for I want to see the result faster. Okay, see the value that's been in terminal. Okay, we at first we find the first robot, second robot, and new gen robot. Okay. Okay, I forgot on this part. Okay, then next we find the class rule. Okay, I focus on new gen robot. This is a rule number one, rule number 0, and this is a rule number 1, and the crossing point is here. With okay, let's check. This part is something strange. I think this part is copy error. The robot are the same rule. That's will be the same. Let's go find next one. Like this part. Okay. Okay. You can see that this part that I highlight is come from robot 1, and this part is and this part is come from robot 2, like this. Okay, you can see the difference between this. Okay, I think it's done for to doing the crossover. If you have a question, you can comment me on Facebook. I will answer it if I see. Thank you.